Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on mastering production debugging with AI and monitoring. We will explore how to transition from blind troubleshooting to an AI-assisted resolution protocol. Blind debugging often relies on guesswork, leading to slow resolutions. By focusing on root cause clarity, we can move faster. Remember, in a production environment, logs are the truth. To debug effectively, we look at two layers: logs, which tell us what specifically happened with errors and events, and monitoring, which gives us the macro view of system health trends. When interacting with AI, the quality of the output depends on your prompt. Move beyond basic queries by providing environment context and clear output requirements for advanced diagnostics. Avoid generic prompts like, "Why did the system crash?" Instead, provide specific telemetry and a defined output format to receive a precise root cause analysis and actionable fix steps. Here are common production scenarios. By feeding specific raw logs into an AI, you can quickly identify whether a failure is due to a database port issue, a memory leak, or an endpoint error. Advanced A. I can perform consulting-level debugging by pattern matching across multiple logs. This helps you identify the true underlying failure rather than just reacting to individual symptomatic errors. Automated alert analysis is now a standard for SRE teams. When a system alert triggers, I can instantly correlate performance metrics to identify potential causes like traffic spikes or memory leaks. The next-gen support system automates the workflow, moving the engineer from a manual investigator to an automated reviewer who confirms suggested fixes. Now, it is your turn. Given a fatal eNote-found error, determine the issue, draft an optimal AI prompt, and identify the expected solution to practice these techniques. Follow this execution plan. Start by analyzing individual logs, move to multi-log synthesis, and finally design a monitoring system that integrates AI into your alert flow. Remember, logs provide the truth, AI analysis provides the speed, and integrated monitoring provides the scale. Think like a production engineer paired with an AI assistant. By unifying your logs, monitoring, and AI-driven automation, you can transform your debugging workflow from reactive guesswork into a proactive and efficient lifecycle.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.